The 10 most famous food in France. Aioli. Rooted in the hills of Provence, the mayonnaise-like sauce, aioli, most often dresses seafood and vegetables. The name means garlic oil, and it's almost that simple. Add some sea salt, and like mayo, egg yolk for the creamy consistency. Aligot. A tasty French side dish, aligot can become extremely elastically, and some French restaurants put on quite a show stretching it to great lengths when serving it. A classic French dish you won't want to miss. Brioche. Highly rich in butter and egg, brioche falls somewhere between a bread and a pastry. However, you will see them more often at the boulangerie, bakery, than the patisserie, pastry shop. Cassoulet. A traditional food of France from the Languedoc region, combines white beans with pork, onions, tomatoes, and depending on the town an assortment of different meats like mutton, partridges, goose, sausages, and duck. Duck confit. Duck confit reigns king in Gascony. Luckily, the fall-off-the-bone duck with the crispy, seasoned skin can be found all over France, many times at bargain prices. Oysters. A French favorite food for centuries, oysters are usually consumed raw with mignonette sauce, minced shallots and vinegar. If clouds were food, they'd be made of soufflé. The word soufflé means to puff up, and whether they are sweet like chocolate, or savory like cheese, that is just what they do. Tarte tatin. Culinary historians credit the Tatin sisters from the Hôtel Tatin in the La Motte-Bouverne region with inventing this incredible French dessert. Choucroute garnie. Choucroute garnie means garnished sauerkraut and is the most popular French dish from the Alsace region which borders Germany. In this case, the garnish dominates the hearty meal. Bouillabaisse. In fact, in Marseille, there's even a bouillabaisse charter to try and maintain the integrity and authenticity of this world-famous dish. Thanks for watching, remember subscribe and like.